Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving deep into what many consider the best accordion in its class. The Hohner Bravo 396 Chromatic Piano Key Accordion in Pearl White. If you're a passionate musician or just exploring the world of accordions, you're going to want to stick around for this. Let's start with the basics. This beauty boasts 37 treble keys and 96 bass buttons, making it a full-featured instrument for beginners and intermediate players alike. It's versatile enough to handle classical, jazz, folk, and pop music, and that's what makes it stand out. The Bravo 396 strikes a perfect balance between size, weight, and playability, giving you professional-level features without overwhelming bulk. Now let's talk build quality. The pearl white finish gives it a refined, elegant look that demands attention whether you're on stage or in the studio. And true to Hohner's legacy, the craftsmanship here is meticulous. The buttons have a responsive action, the bellows move with ease, and the whole instrument feels solid in your hands. No cheap components here. Inside, you'll find 3 sets of treble reeds, giving you a rich and warm tonal palette. It comes with 7 treble registers, meaning you get a wide range of tonal colors to suit whatever genre you're diving into. Whether you want bright and cutting or mellow and deep, it's all here. For the bass side, the standard 96-button layout gives you 4 bass registers, allowing dynamic bass lines and chord accompaniments that are expressive and full-bodied. What's also worth highlighting is the upgraded T keyboard mechanism. That may sound technical, but in real terms, it means smoother play and faster response, great for intricate passages or fast-paced performances. Despite its range and features, it's surprisingly manageable in weight. At about 9 kilograms, it's not featherlight, but it won't break your back either. This makes it a perfect gigging instrument, portable enough to travel with, yet powerful enough to deliver a full, professional sound. Hohner includes a deluxe gig bag and adjustable shoulder straps right in the box, so you're ready to go from the moment it arrives. That's a major plus. No need to shop for accessories separately. You're investing in an all-in-one solution. One of the things that really makes this model special is how accessible it is to learners while still being a serious tool for seasoned players. It grows with you. Beginners won't feel intimidated, and experienced musicians won't feel held back. That's a rare combination in the accordion world. It's ideal for music students, teachers, traveling performers, or anyone upgrading from a smaller or older model. It's a workhorse instrument, durable, dependable, and packed with sonic possibilities. To wrap it up, the Hohner Bravo 396 is a brilliant choice if you're looking for a reliable, expressive accordion that blends quality, style, and performance. From its elegant pearl white finish to its professional features and playability, this accordion lives up to its reputation. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a deep dive on the gear that matters most. Catch you in the next one.